This is like
they
a
get murdered last year.
Oh, they're
in
martyred.
Italy.
So they're martyred.
Murdered, yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, murdered. I thought you said martyred. That's a wholly
Murdered,
different.
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Murdered by
Oh,
other men usually.
Oh my God. Some of these women, they're beautiful. That's tragic. So what does Italy hope to accomplish by this?
Bring awareness so
okay. So
people can speak up and
speak up. Yeah, speak up.
Yeah.
So there is something of a taboo. Like the woman is maybe, I don't know how you say this, like maybe they doubt, they have some suspicious. If the women say, oh, my boyfriend is aggressive, all of this. So all of this shit is making it come to the forefront so that like they take this shit seriously.
Yes, it's better to,
yeah.
to the police and
To the police, yeah. So these were just from 2024.
Yes.
Oh my word. This is that they know of. Oh my God, such beauty. Oh my God. This is a very good thing that Italy does. So it's just this wall,
Yeah,
or
it's in Milano. It's in Milano.
Okay. So is there more, or that's fantastic for Italy? Yeah. The wall of dolls. Okay. Very interesting. Good atmosphere so far. Oh my God, beautiful. Look at this shit. Wow.
It is always under restoration, this part.
Yeah, bro. Wow. Fantastic. Nice. Really nice, yeah. Oh my God, Gucci. Yeah. So all of these companies here in Milan.
Yeah, it's also in Milano, but it's just meant for the billboards to advertise themselves.
Yeah, yeah.
The smell?
Yeah, what is? Hot dogs?
It's chestnuts.
Chestnuts, I knew that.
They are selling them like gold.
Oh, I know this. They did this in Roma, yeah. The chestnuts, it was in Roma, yeah. Crazy.
Balenciaga.
Ha ha ha. Two of the best.
Al Pacino and,
Two of the best ever. Italian, yeah.
I think it's American, they're not Italian. But
Oh my God, yeah. Italian Americans. Are
Yes.
called, yeah.
Al Pacino, yeah, Al Pacino. So this is the Scala Theatre,
Ah,
the
this?
famous opera house.
Oh, it's a famous opera house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of the most famous company.
Is it a company?
was
American company?
Opened just like 4 or 5 years ago. in
4 or
Milano,
5 years
in
ago?
Italy.
Yeah, yeah.
And the first place was this. And
Yeah, yeah.
One of the 5 most big places and nice places
The 5
around
biggest.
the world. Yes.
What kind of
It's
place?
Starbucks reserve
Oh,
for roastery.
okay. Okay.
So it's kind of like a giant roastery.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's one maybe in the US, one in Singapore, I think,
Oh, wow.
and some, yeah.
Okay, let's see this place.
Yeah.
Is that Leonardo?
Go where?
Is that Christopher Columbus?
Yes, I don't know.
I
have
knew
to
that.
read.
Who is that?
I should read. I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't see very well.
Oh,
No,
no.
it's possible to know everything.
Okay, I know. I was just joking with you. Oh, I know this is Jenny. You know why? Because
Who is
her
Jenny?
name, yeah, her name is very big in prominence.
Jenny.
Yeah, it's very hard to overlook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody's coming here anymore.
Really? Cannot believe this can stand for 1,000 years. The marvel of man's engineering, man, is fucking crazy. 1,000 years.
More, like maybe.
No, it's more than that. You're talking about the Romans?
Yes.
That's the Byzantine. Byzantine is 1,000 and still more. Roman, it had to be 1,500 years, man. Yeah.
On the situation, but yes, like 12 enters to the city. So here was
So roughly,
the old city, and here was the new.
oh, so that was the old,
Yeah.
and roughly you said Middle Ages, so
Around, yeah,
1,200, 1,300,
like 1,050.
1,000, okay.
500, yes.
1,000, okay.
500,
So,
yeah.
so that's the mouth river mouth. Where their mouth goes to us. And then we go down. And that's
And so this is the Navigli area. It's like in Milano, there were a lot of canals in Milano.
A lot of what?
Canals, water canals.
Canals, of course.
Canals,
yeah.
yes, sorry. Canals.
Because it's North Italy, yeah, of course.
But they covered most of them.
Cover most of them?
Yes.
Okay.
So there are only like 2 here and 1 nearby my place.
So we'll not see any gondolas. It's very nice to shoot. This is excellent to shoot. Oh my goodness. Yeah, dude. Oh no. This was from the brick oven. This is pizza, man. Not the franchise US pizza. No, this is pizza. This is the pizza, man. Fantastic. This is the pizza that God intended.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for supporting. Grazie per il supporto.
He's pretty good. He's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.